Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get refund on TEMU without returning. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, check the TEMU refund policy. If your order falls under TEMU's refund policy, you can apply this process to get your refund without returning the item. So open the TEMU application. Make sure you are already logged in with your TEMU account. At the bottom, you will see different options. Head towards the option of view. Now over here, you are going to find different options. Just simply tap on this gear icon in the top right corner, then scroll down. You have to tap on this customer support option. You have to scroll down and you will find this option contact us. Tap on it. Now here you have to type in can I get a refund, and you will get some pop-up which order you need help with. Select the order. Yes, correct order. Well, here you will get the list of orders. Now you have to select the order for which you want to get a refund. After you have select the order, you can have a conversation with TEMU customer service. You can give reason why you want a refund and about the product details. Also, you can have some sort of negotiation with TEMU customer service. After you give the details about your experience or reason why you want to get refund, and if TEMU agrees with that, you will get a refund without returning the item. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.